So Townsville as a location is probably one of the best locations in Australia to produce solar power. So we've got everything going for us here. So 300 odd sunny days a year. So yeah, it's definitely in our favour, it's definitely in a customer's favour to have solar. So they'll produce more kilowatt hours per kilowatt installed than any large residential location in Australia. With the hot weather in Townsville, panels can be operating at 70 to 80 degrees in temperature. So that's hot, you can just about fry an egg on that. So knowing that these panels have been tested to a higher temperature, up to 90 degrees, you know that these panels will last the distance. Being a really hot climate here in Townsville, you don't want anyone sitting in their lounge room sweating. You want to be able to turn that aircon on without the fear of that power bill going through the roof. So I guess the biggest energy users in the home, from a customer's point of view, they're always concerned about their hot water system, how much power that uses, their air conditioning, and just general appliances around the home. I guess the other key thing with being the highest quality panel on the market is the performance and the efficiency of the panel. So you can fit more power into a smaller area. So with people's power bills getting larger and larger, you want to make sure you use the most efficient panel on the market to produce the most power on any given roof. So a lot of the houses are smaller now as well, so you need to make sure you fit as much power as possible on there so they can achieve the savings that they want. So as far as an expectation of what effect you can have on a power bill, typically 50% savings on any power bill is possible for residential. So a standard power bill of say $800 to $1,000 a quarter here in Townsville, that can come down to anywhere between $300 and $500.